Hey, if you wonder how you can update firmware on your CMF Watch Pro, that's quite simple. All you have to do is just to grab your phone, move into the application, and as you can see at the top, when you are on this first tab, you can actually find information about the firmware update. So it appears just right here at the top. If for some reason you close this information and you don't have it here, you can simply go into this tab, then scroll down and select Update Device. Now, as you can see, we have to actually keep our phone close to the watch. We have to make sure that our watch battery is over 20%. Also, we have to make sure that the phone is close to the watch, and we cannot actually exit the current page. So also we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi, our mobile data, and we have to click to start update. Now we can just put our phone right here. At the bottom we can actually find this updating process and also on our watch. So all we have to do right now is just to wait until this upload will be downloaded on our phone, and then it will be transferred into the CMF Watch Pro. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.